Yeah, anyway. All right, Goodwill Toward All. Another one by Team T17. So, Goodwill Toward All. This is a difficulty 1.5 terrain 1 sized micro. This one was placed in May of 2018. Let's see. Long description. Please be careful with the host so you don't cut yourself. Looking to adjust cord soon. Please be careful with the host so you don't cut yourself. Okay, interesting. This area has grown the past 10 years. More retail, Dunkin' Donuts. Person's obviously lived here a little while. Alright, so we're going to turn this on up here.
Right, then turn left.
I'm pretty sure it's sitting right over there underneath that lamppost. Anybody around? Nope. Alright. Put that right over here. Let's just melt it away. What we got there, buddy? Alright. Oh, mommy is working today. Truck's over there. Hi. Maybe I'll go in and say hi. So anyway, turn this a little bit so we can get a better view of what's going on. So this is one of the advantages of having the 360 camera, is now I can do this. Alright, so inside we got a little shell and a little bead of some sort. So, found it. Hey, this looks like a pretty new log. Looks like it was, this log anyway was first found on 6/5/22. Nice, alright, so let me grab a pin here. Yeah. It works. Sweet. Alright, let's log this one here. There we go. It is 1/5/23. So, hey, first to find this year. Sweet. There you got it. First to find this year. So it's the, is it the first? That's not my first for this year, is it? I think it might be. Golly gee. Shame on me. Anywho, all right, very cool. So we got that one done. Let's roll this bad boy back up. And again, I don't have my caching bag. If I had my caching bag, I would throw this in a baggie, but it looks like it's doing all right under where it is. So the car just pulled up behind us. I'm going to wait for them to move, and then I'm going to jump back out and put this out. All right, let's put this bad boy back. All right, so inside.